Hey, Emma, you look so happy today. What's going on?
Oh, John, you won't believe it. I just spent the morning at the park talking to a dog.
Talking to a dog? Like real conversation?
Yes, his name is Max. He's the cutest golden retriever ever.
Aw, that's adorable. So what did you talk about?
Well, at first I was just walking and he ran up to me wagging his tail. I said, "Hi, buddy, how are you today?" And he barked twice, like he understood.
Maybe he really did. Dogs are great listeners.
Totally. I sat on the grass and he just stared at me with those big puppy eyes. I swear, I started sharing my life story with him.
You told your problems to a dog?
Yep. I said, "Max, humans are complicated, but you're perfect." He tilted his head like he agreed.
That's hilarious. Did his owner see you?
Oh, yes, she was laughing nearby. She said he likes people who talk a lot.
Perfect match for you then.
Exactly. So I asked her, "Can I pet him?" And she said, "Sure, he loves attention."
So what did Max do?
He rolled over, showing his belly. I said, "Oh, you're such a drama king."
Sounds like Max knows how to get love.
Yes. Then I told him, "Max, you're the only guy who listens to me." And John, he barked again, like he understood every word.
Maybe he really did. Dogs have emotional intelligence, you know?
Yeah, he was so calm. I even practiced my English with him.
Wait, you practiced English with a dog?
Why not? He doesn't judge. I said things like, "How are you today, Max? Are you hungry? Do you like the park?"
That's actually a great idea for English learners.
Right? It's like talking practice with no pressure. You can make mistakes, and the dog just smiles.
That's genius. Maybe I'll borrow my neighbor's cat and start talking to him.
Cats don't listen. They just walk away like, "You bore me."
True. Cats are like, talk to the paw.
Exactly. Dogs are friendly. You can practice tone, emotion, and small talk.
That's amazing. What other sentences did you practice with Max?
Let me think. Oh, yes. "Do you want to go for a walk? You're such a good boy. Sit down, please. Wait, no, not my shoe."
Did he take your shoe?
He tried. I was like, "No, Max, that's not food."
Oh my God. I can imagine the scene.
The owner said, "He thinks shoes are toys." I said, "Great, he must love me then. My shoes smell amazing."
Emma, you're unbelievable.
We had such a fun time. I threw a ball, he ran, brought it back, and we repeated that 10 times.
That's what I call teamwork.
Exactly. And while we played, I kept talking to him like he was my student.
You taught English to a dog?
Yes. I said, "Repeat after me, Max. Ball."
And he said, woof.
Perfect pronunciation.
You know, it's actually a cute idea. Talking to pets can really help people learn English.
Yes, because you practice speaking freely. No fear, no judgment.
Exactly. And you can also work on tone. Friendly, soft, clear.
Right. For example, when I said, "Good boy," my voice was happy and high. When I said, "No, Max," my tone was firm.
Great way to practice emotion in English.
Yes, I think everyone should try it. Pets don't care if your grammar is wrong. They care about love.
That's true.
And honestly, John, when I spoke to him, I felt confident. I didn't translate from my language. I just spoke.
That's what fluency is. Thinking in English, not translating.
Exactly. That dog helped me more than a textbook.
Max the English teacher.
Totally. We should give him a medal.
So what did the owner say at the end?
She said, "Max likes you. He usually doesn't stay with strangers."
Oh, that's sweet.
Yeah, it made my day. I said, "Goodbye, Max. See you next time." And he barked once, like he said goodbye too.
Oh, that's heartwarming.
Yeah, I realized how animals can teach us kindness and even language.
That's true. They teach patience, too.
Yes, you listen, observe, repeat. Just like in English learning.
So what's the plan? Are you going back to the park tomorrow?
Of course! I'm going to bring some treats and maybe teach him new English words.
Lesson 2. Sit, stay, and grammar.
Exactly.
You should record it. It'll go viral. Dog learns English in 7 days.
That's a perfect title.
You're welcome.
You know, talking to Max reminded me, learning should be fun, whether it's English or anything else.
Totally. If you enjoy it, you'll keep doing it.
Exactly. And I think English learners should find their own Max, something or someone they can talk to freely.
Great advice.
Because when you stop worrying about mistakes, you start growing.
Beautifully said.
Thanks. So next time, come with me to the park.
Deal. But if Max takes my shoe, I'm running away.
Don't worry, I'll translate for you.
All right.
See you tomorrow, John. And don't forget to practice your woof sounds.
Got it. Woof woof.
Perfect. You're learning fast.
Thanks, teacher.
Anytime, student.
Okay. Bye, Emma.
Bye, John, and say hi to your imaginary cat.
Will do.